Taste of the Town, Ty is checking out Early Bird Vegan Restaurant. Ty, what's happening there at Early Bird?
Oh my gosh, it smells so good in here, Troy. So I'm going to introduce my new friend Krystal here. Let's talk about this because this is where you started, in the food truck, and it's called Trash Panda.
Trash Panda.
Where did that name come from?
So a trash panda is a raccoon that will eat anything, and so basically we are a trash panda. We eat anything vegan. That's what it is, but it has a twist to it because it's not garbage food. It's actually high quality, mostly organic foods that we deal with here.
But I love this. Oops, I'm sorry. We're in tight quarters, so I'm knocking into everybody. I'm going to just stand over here in the corner by myself. But you started here, and then you have now your standalone store, which we're going to show off in the next hit. But talk about what we're making here this morning, because this smells insane. All vegan.
Yes, this is all vegan. So what we're doing right here is we are making a dish for a Phoenix Vegan Restaurant Week, and what we have right here, these are our greens. Normally greens are cooked for a long time, southern greens, but I like to do a quick saute to retain the nutrients. And so this is going to be a southern barbecue rib plate that's so delicious. We have homemade ribs right here made with jackfruit and vital wheat gluten, and our delicious famous mac and cheese.
Oh my gosh. Let's talk about what it means to kind of have this Vegan Phoenix Restaurant Week coming up. I mean, because, you know, more and more people are becoming vegetarian and or vegan, and this is a great way to kind of sample everybody's restaurants around the valley, right?
Exactly. So there's sometimes a negative connotation around the V word, right? So what we get to do is show off our creative side, really delicious items for people to try, really all of our hits. So all around the valley, you're going to find hits. We hope that that's what everybody puts out. Yeah, so this is a way for them to try something new without, going to have to do it themselves.
Yes.
And doing all the work. We've done the work for them.
I love that. Let's talk about this. When someone tries some of your dishes and maybe they're like, you know, hardcore meat eaters, and then they try your vegan ribs or something, what is their reaction?
Oh my goodness. I'm going to tell you, the reaction is they'll tell me that they've had the best burger in their life right here. That's the kind of reactions we get with our food. Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Yeah, we're just really honored for people to say it, to try it, and for them to tell their friends about it.
That is so cool. All right, so she's going to cook this up. We're going to plate this, you guys, and then we're going to show it off coming up in just a few minutes. And then we're going to head inside because we're going to make cake. Is that what I heard?
Ooh, we're going to make our famous sweet potato cake.
Ooh, famous sweet potato cake. You're going to want to stick around for that, you guys. So we're going to put all the information about Phoenix Vegan Restaurant Week on our website, fox10phoenix.com. It runs through the 22nd. Am I correct?
Yes.
All right, there you go. All right, much more ahead. You guys stay with us.
All right, Ty, thank you. Vegan Restaurant. Ty is out there. Hello, Ty.
Ty, you have to bring back some of this sweet potato pie.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, I will. Don't you worry. I'll bring that back. But look at this, you guys. This is the finished product.
Wow.
I wish we had smell-o-vision because, I mean, this smells so good. It is beautiful. It is hot. It is warm. And the best thing, when you're eating vegan ribs, there's no bone, right? That's the best part.
It's boneless, honey.
All right, what are we making now? Because this looks insane. This is beautiful. What is this?
So I had to show both cakes. I know I said I was going to do the sweet potato, which I do have right here, but I also have to feature our lavender drip cake right here. So that's the purple sweet potato cake. Ube, lavender, and vanilla.
Oh my gosh.
And then this is our house made.
Now, ube's like having a renaissance era right now.
Right?
What exactly is ube for people that don't know? I don't even know what it is.
So it's a Asian sweet potato, basically. And so it might not be purple on the outside, might be brown, and then on the inside it might be purple, speckly, and white. And it's just delicious, high in fiber, way better than a regular potato. And just the flavor of it is just stellar, just nothing like it. So when people taste this cake, they know it tastes like something, like they've tasted before. They just don't know what it is, but I'm not going to tell you what it is.
There you go. Let's talk about this. How much fun is it for you to kind of get creative in the kitchen, making these different recipes? And we've got about 90 seconds left. Talk about your background, because I love the background of where your inspiration, culinary inspiration came from.
Well, my background comes from my family, you know, where cooking started. So being at home, just wanting to cook at a young age, and then eventually finding culinary school and going on my journey and becoming a personal chef, like all of that. But I just always loved to cook since I was little and came out of necessity. But both my parents, one hails from Thailand and the other from Alabama, so just natural born chefs, natural born cooks.
That.
Yeah,
that is so cool. All right, so if folks want to come hang out with you, get some delicious food, where are you located?
So we're on 16th Street and Broadway. So we're right next to the American Legion in South Phoenix.
Very cool.
Yeah.
And what are your hours?
So we're open from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Tuesday through Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday, 9 to 2.
All right, and then again, we'll put all the information if you want to do the Phoenix Restaurant Week. Come out here, enjoy some of her delicious food. We've got about 30 seconds left. Can I try one of those ribs?
Oh my goodness.
Are they ready to go? All right, here we go. Hold on. Well, sorry, Juan. Hold on, here we go.
Super hot, remember?
Yeah,
Can you hold it?
oh yeah, you better hold that because I'm going to screw this up. Okay, here we go. Oh gosh. Ooh, they're hot. Ooh, they're really hot.
Ty eating a rib?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Oh, this
It
is
doesn't look
vegan
vegan though.
rib.
It's
I
so
know.
good.
Tasty.
That is really good. Delicious.